Everybody, Josh with JDS Sign Supply. If you're new to vinyl graphics, you need to hear about this new amazing technology that's going to change the way you apply graphics. Check it out. Egress, explain that a little bit for someone that may not be familiar with that technology.
It's a technology that's been out of quite a long time, and there's been variations of it. But basically, it's the technology came out where we take an embossed liner, whether it's a channel system or some kind of pattern, and then when we manufacture the vinyl, we actually coat the adhesive on that liner. And then at the end, out of the oven, in the big picture, the football field oven, the film, whether it's a colored film, a transparent film, a gloss, black, white, whatever, it's nipped onto that adhesive, which is on the release liner, and then you have a product. So when you remove the liner, that Egress channeling system is embedded in the adhesive system momentarily. When you transfer it onto a window or a vehicle or a sign, that channeling system allows the air to escape out of it to make full contact of the adhesive to the surface without the aid of water. Like anything Egress, we know it's always dry apply, but again, speed of application, remove bubbles quickly, and aid for the end user or a sign shop to apply the product quickly, simply, and dry.
So if you're installing a larger graphic, or maybe your installer is relatively new, paying a little extra for that Egress, really it could pay off in the long end, because you potentially could find success where a new installer might have to do something once or twice.
Yes, yeah. Again, back to the Egress and dry apply, a lot of products can still be wet apply, but the aiding in the dry apply and the speed of application with the squeegee, with so many different type thickness of films, that really does it. Has been a game changer in industry. They're again for the end user, whether it's in a department store putting up an every week ad, or a sign shop putting a graphic up on a vehicle, or a sign that gets put up either interior, exterior, office space or commercial.